Alright, and here is the Allisport XL radiator frame. Let's go ahead and tear into that. It's padded pretty well from what I can see. I don't want to cut too deep into it. I don't want to damage anything. So. That's key. If you're ordering from something that's coming from another continent, you definitely want it to be overpacked, because nobody treats it like you would. Alright. Alright. Let's see. Good job here, huh? Great job. Packing it all up. Thank you very much, Andrew and team over there. Oh, nice. They wrapped it in a couple of layers of cardboard, which is excellent, because you can use this to lay under the car. Then some more plastic. Okay. Oh, this is very exciting. Very happy with the way that they packaged this up. Just a moment. Beautiful. Okay, make sure you eat all of it. Because just because it looks pretty doesn't mean anything unless you eat it. Children. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, I see why they wrapped it in. Okay. Let me show you. See right there. Those screws that go somewhere in the assembly process are protected. They rolled up some cardboard right here, and then they just pressed it onto the screws. That protects everything. They did a really, really good job. Well, I'm really impressed. Okay, so that's that part. Same thing on this side. Okay, very good. Because these studs, they had to protect them somehow, so really nice. All aluminum. I was gonna powder coat these black, or order them in black, but it would have taken a little bit longer. That wouldn't have mattered because this has been sitting in my garage for a month. But I figured I don't want to take away any of the heat dispersing properties of anything. I don't even know if that makes any sense, but I figured I'd just leave it in aluminum. That's fine. Very nice. Oh, it looks like this might be the bottom. Quality control passed. 318. Operator ID 7. Well, thank you very much, Operator 7, for making sure that this is done right. Nice, great weld right there for the stud on this side. Same thing over here. Wow, overkill is the name of the game in the off-road business, I've always thought, and I'm very happy to see that they follow along in that mindset. Right here, these screws. These sides. Now this is going along with an XL radiator and a full-size intercooler that I'll be posting unboxing videos of those as well on the channel. Thank you very much to those of you who have been following along and subscribed. I try to answer all the comments and take everything as constructive criticism. Alright, these are the sides. Very nice nut certs on both sides. Very cool. Just need to figure out, make sure I'm building this correctly when I assemble it before I drop it in. Because I was told, like, assemble it, put the radiator inside this frame, and then the whole thing drops in, and then I'll put the intercooler in separately. These two sides, like, let's see, I would figure that these would face each other. Now what's the top and what's the bottom? I don't know. This one was run by operator number 1. So was this one. Quality control passed, operator number 1, 376. Nice. Okay. Let's see what else comes in this little packet. This is what we get. I just need to figure out if I'm doing anything incorrectly when I assemble these. There's 4 on this side, 4 on the other side, so we should have 8. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and lock washers for everything. And this is then assembled, I would venture to say, around the radiator. I'm going to look at some photographs and figure out exactly how it's done, and then I'll post a video of assembling the radiator inside of this XL frame. Cool. So there you go. They packaged it very well. It arrived all the way from the UK to South Florida with no problems. Thank you very much for taking a look at this video. If you're enjoying these videos, I do them out of the love that I have for the Defender and out of wanting to make the Defender better, more reliable, and turn it into a turnkey, everyday, drivable car. I have been driving it quite a bit. It's now July in South Florida, 2021. I got the car December 4th, 2020. I have about 6,000 miles on the car so far. And just trying to make it better every day. Following a lot of other YouTubers like Juice Motors, Britannica, Mike over at Britannica Restorations in Canada, and several other Land Rover places, the LR Workshops videos. Those are great, and they teach me a lot. So thank you very much. Oh, also Nigel, who's putting together a beautiful Puma, like frame off, nut and bolt restoration that's looking really, really sharp. And all right, thank you very much for tuning in. Check out the other videos on assembling the XL frame and the radiator, the XL radiator inside of it. Also, I have the unboxing video for the XL radiator. You should be able to find a link below. And the intercooler, the full-size intercooler, the unboxing of the full-size intercooler. Thanks again for watching. Be well. Bye.